So now I'm going to show you Google Hangouts. We're going to open a new tab and we're going to type in hangouts.google.com, which will take you to your Google Hangouts. It shows you your options. You can video call, phone call, or you can message. For now, I am going to show a message. If I click on message, I can type in, let's just do this, and it will allow me to send an invite, and then I can begin messaging her because she is not on Google Hangouts yet. Or I can click on someone who is in Google Hangouts and it will allow me to message them here, which you can send photos by attaching a photo, or you can video call by clicking this. I'm going to video call by clicking this. And this is my first time using it, so it's going to ask me, can I use your microphone? Can I use your camera? And I'm going to say yes. It's going to connect me. There I am, and I'm going to send an invite to my own email, which is not a Google email, so let's see. Got it. And if I go back here, it should have sent an invite to my email. But to video call, you invite the people that you want to video call, and you click to call them, and it will show it here. You can also phone call, so it won't show your face, it'll just be the phone. Or you can, as I said, you can message.